Ever wondered what to do with your used cooking oil at home? United States produced billions of gallons of used cooking oil yearly. Our kitchen contributions matter more than we think. Reuse it. Drain and store your cooking oil for another round of frying. Simple and sustainable. Solidify and dispose. Solidify with FryAway and toss it in the organic bin. Easy and mess-free. Or mix with cat litter or sawdust to soak it up. No mess, no stress. Tiny amounts? Soak it up with a paper towel or food scraps. Recycle it and turn it into biodiesel to fuel vehicles. Check if your local center accepts cooking oil. It's a game changer. This Global Recycling Day, let's pledge to treat our planet as we do our kitchens, with care and responsibility.